Hey everyone, it's Lee, Ross Rod Shop again. Today's Friday afternoon. I got off work a little early today, so I decided to come home and get a little bit more work done on the Jeep. As you can see, I've taken the windshield out. The windshield was busted, and I'm cleaning up along here. I'm gonna clean all this up a little bit better, and yeah, get the other windshield put in. Also, there's this I don't know what it is down here, some kind of homemade plow attachment thing, and I'm gonna cut that off of there as well. Removing these windshields is pretty simple. You have these hinges here. You have these hinges here. There's 3 bolts there, 1 bolt in the front here. They're a T40. I just used my well, whatever I've done with it. I used my little small impact, and here it is. I just used my little small impact here, and they just came right out. A lot of times they don't. A lot of times you gotta work them back and forth to get them out. But I was lucky on these, and they just came right out. So once I get this cleaned up, I'll get the other windshield set in. And I just bought the frame with the glass. I got it the same price as the just the glass would have been. And on this frame, the old frame here, it had quite a bit of rust in it. Let's see here. It's on the other side. It's got a big spot of rust in it right here. See it bubbling through real good right there. So I just decided, and see the glass has just busted all to pieces. So I just bought another frame with the glass in it from the junkyard. Got it for the same price it would have cost me just to get the glass. The frame is dark green. It's not, I think the Jeep is purple, dark blue, or a purple color. The frame is green. I'm just gonna leave it, really. This is just something for me and my wife to ride around in, have fun in. I am gonna do my best to fix all the rust, and I hate rust in them. But the different colored window frame, and then over here on this side, I was able to get a really good deal at the junkyard on this half door here, and it's black because it didn't have any doors on it when I got it. So I got this half door. I went ahead and put the door, I bought this half door here. I got it at the junkyard. As you can see, it's got the writing on the door there. He gave me a sweet deal on it because I bought a bunch of parts from him. He let me have this door for only $100. I can't get a half door anywhere else for $100. I wish he didn't have the other side, but I went ahead and got it because it was cheap. But I'm just gonna leave it black. Hopefully I can find a black one for the other side. If not, what it is. I'm just gonna have a Franken Jeep or whatever. I have a black door, a green window frame. My tailgate that I bought for it is green. It didn't have the tailgate on it. So, you know, it is what it is. I got 2 new fenders coming. I am gonna have to paint the fenders, but you see, man, them things are rusted all to pieces, and they're dented up here in the front pretty good. That one's dented up real bad, and then move that zip cut out of the way, and you see the rust there. Somebody's tried to fill it in with fiberglass just to hide the rust, kind of like what they did. I guess it was the same person that was working on the door, on the rockers here. Because as you see, we got rust here with fiberglass in behind it, and then we got a bunch of fiberglass here. And we've had Jeeps before. I thought this is our 5th Wrangler. Every time I sell one, I wish I had it back. So I think my plan is just I bought this one fairly cheap. I'm still going to be in it really cheap when everything's said and done. Just my time fixing it, really. And I think we're just gonna keep this one and enjoy it. Keep it for a while and drive the snot out of it. So it's a 4-cylinder, 5-speed. Runs really good. The engine, transmission, clutch, the drive line is really good in it. I've already driven it 54 miles. So yeah, but let's get after it. We gotta get it cleaned up, get that thing cut off of it, and then we'll go from there. Okay guys, got the windshield installed, and like I said, it has a green frame around it, but I'm just gonna call it Franken Jeep. I'm not gonna go through the trouble of painting that. It looks good. I cleaned the windshield, got the stickers off of it from the junkyard. I didn't notice it when I got it, but there's a damn chip in it right there, a little small chip. So I'm gonna have to try to get one of them little kits to fill it in so it don't spread anymore. But yeah, we got the door hung, the windshield in, got that front bar, whatever that thing was they had on the bottom down there. I think it was for some kind of a plow or something. I've got a bumper on the way, so I'll get that put on when it gets here. I'm gonna clean this up and repaint this bar here. And that'll do it for today. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, comment down below, check out the website rossrodshop.com. I'll see you guys next time.